Thank you very much, saints. We believe and trust God for a season like this. Thank you very much for those saints who are able to come to the service today in the midst of all the pandemic that is going on in our country. I'm very happy that we did stick to the regulations today. We have 2 wonderful services. I do want to invite you again next week to the service that is starting at 8 o'clock to 9:30. That is going to be our first service. Our second service will start at 10 o'clock to 11:30, so that we stick to the regulations. I want to thank each and every one of you for listening at this time, for allowing God to channel the way that we must walk and the things that we must do. Please remember, this pandemic is not friendly. It will kill you. So it's very important to remain in your place, wash your hands, and continue to pray in your own place. But when the opportunity avails itself, like Sunday, please do come, but we'll make sure that we stick to the regulation of 100 people per session. We have our services on Sunday, 8 o'clock to 9:30. First service, and the second service is taking place at 10 o'clock to 10:30. Please do come. On Wednesdays, we do meet again at 6:30 to 7:30. May God richly bless you. Stand together at a time like this. Let's continue to pray. Remember that when all is said and done, nime niqine enkosini nasemandleni amakhulu. Siyanthanda kakhulu. God bless you.